Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Dignity Trust Commitment Present BCN Top News. This is Onika Tahsin Pushpo and I am with you all the time. In the last 24 hours, 38 more people have died due to coronavirus in the country. With this, the total number of deaths in the country stood at 12,839 people. The total number of patients diagnosed with the virus in the country stood at 8,10,990 people. The Department of Drug Administration has approved the emergency use of Sinovac vaccine, Corona vaccine, another Chinese company in the country. Earlier, BBIBP Corvi, a vaccine from China's state-owned Sinopharm, was approved. Incepta Vaccine Limited will act as the distributor of this vaccine in the country. Road Transport and Bridges Minister Obaidul Qadir has said that toll of 6,434.3 crore taka has been collected from Bangabandhu Bridge over Jamuna River so far. The minister also said that the loans taken by the development partners for the bridge will be repaid in 2034. BNP chairperson Begum Khaleda Zia is undergoing treatment at Evercare Hospital in the capital. Her heart, kidney and liver have been affected due to post-COVID complications. These symptoms are being treated. Her doctor said she was slowly improving. On Sunday, Khaleda Zia's doctor, Professor F.M. Siddiqui, informed the BCN channel about the matter. The body of a student of Dhaka University has been recovered from the government staff quarters at Azimpur in the capital. The incident took place today morning. According to the Emergency Department of Dhaka Medical College Hospital, the fire service personnel took her to the Emergency Department of DMC around 7:30 am and the doctor on duty declared her death. Harun, the son of Tahir Mia of Ghiladoli village in Madhupur of Hobiganj, has been found to have embezzled ancestral property by secretly cheating his brother and showing his thumb to the landlord. According to the investigation, about 17 or 18 years ago, Harun Mia took money from many people saying that he would send people to Kuwait. With the return of momentum in the country's stock market, new records are being set in transactions with market capitalization and indices. The Dhaka Stock Exchange witnessed a turnover of 2,669 crore 38 lakh taka on Sunday, the first working day after the presentation of the proposed 2021-22 budget. Due to the epidemic coronavirus, the Holy Hajj was banned last year. Despite the corona vaccine this year, the corona situation has not returned to normal. So, this year the Holy Hajj will be held according to the special conditions and rules. On Saturday, Union Minister Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi made an important decision on whether Indians can go on Hajj this year. Bollywood actor Dilip Kumar has been admitted to hospital with shortness of breath. He was admitted to the Hinduja Hospital in Mumbai on Sunday morning. The 98-year-old actor is currently under medical observation. The Times of India has published the news. Rocco, a cyclist, died 3 years ago of a heart attack while cycling in Italy. His younger brother Giuseppe Perinor went to play a football match in his memory. Perinor, a rising footballer, died of a heart attack while on the field. The incident took place last Wednesday in Naples in Italy. Giuseppe Perinor played for the Italian football club Parma. Dear viewers, you have been listening to BCN Top News for so long. For more details, please visit www.bcnchannel.net. Stay tuned to BCN channel for more updates. Thank you.